All right, so today we got the Chemical Guys foam gun, and I'm matching it with the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash. A lot of people don't know that you can use the Meguiar's Gold car wash for your foam cannon, but it's totally doable, and it's a way cheaper option just for basic cleaning. Then I have this 4-ounce measuring cup. It's plastic, so I just kind of leave it in here with the chemicals. And then I fill it to the brim, and this is the, I think this is the 1,000 milliliter foam cannon, and it really gets the job done. So I'm going to show you how it foams up. All right, so we have the Ridge Washer compact gun with a swivel and the snub nose, so it has a short nose. It's good for car washing because you don't want that long nose. You're accidentally gonna bump into your car and all that stuff. I'm gonna connect it here to the power washer right now. And I'm gonna combine it with my foam cannon from Chemical Guys to get us a nice soapy wash. You can see how it works right here. All right, so we got it nice and foamed up, and the foam cannon did its job. We're gonna let it sit, and then we'll finish the car wash here. All right, now we've equipped our Ridge washer with the 40-degree nozzle. We're gonna wash it all off. See how I get far away from the thing? The nozzle's nice and far away. All right, so I have the AutoManiacs drying towel, and it's a 1500 GSM towel that should be able to dry up the whole car in one sitting. So let me dry that off for you, and then we'll get back to the towel. All right, so the car is completely dry now, and that towel sucked up every ounce of water on this car. I'm now a believer. These GSM towels, this one is really good. I feel like I can wash the car at least 2 more times, or maybe wash 2 more cars that are about this size. Wow. All right, so my actual tires have been looking pretty dingy. They kind of have this yellow color to it, and I saw this Adams Polishes wheel tire and cleaner all-in-one formula might be the one to do the job. So now we're gonna apply it to the wheels. Let's see if you can see the yellowing on the tires. Yep, there you go. You see the yellowing. A lot of this happened from off-roading, going off dirt roads and whatnot. Yeah, these tires actually seen snow during the winter. It is summer now though, and it's time for me to address it. Spray the wheel, and we're not gonna let it dry. We're gonna hit it with this brush. They recommend their wheel brush, but this is all I have right now. All right, so we're gonna let it work in for a little bit, and then we'll brush it and then dry it. You can already see it coming off all that dirt and gunk. Wow, it's working. Been dealing with these yellowy orange tires for a while now. It's kind of cool. All right, so let's hit it with the brush. Oh, that you can see it. Get all the gunk. Crazy. All right, let's wash it off now. Alright, finish it off by drying it. Yep, tire looks so much better now. Now that it's dried off, you can see that it removed all the gunk. Actually, it looks like I have tire shine on it. I think it is actually a polish. That is pretty sick. Shout out to my assistant for helping me clean the car.